Hi, I'm Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 6. I study in Bishan Shastri Nagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I'm going to sing an energetic song of DJ Bravo, which is Champion. So here I go. DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Chinmay, DJ Chinmay, Champion, 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 Champion. Everybody knows it. Bravo, a champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows Chinmay is a champion, Kohli a champion, Dhoni a champion, Bhuvi is a champion, Sachin is a champion. Kapil is a champion, Chetan is a champion, Saurav is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, India a champion, Nelson a champion, 958 cracks a champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows Chinmay a champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows Chris Gayle is a champion. Champion, we are real champion. Champion, we are real champion. Champion, we are real champion. Non vex and landmark goal. We have to lead the time to bats and ball. We have yoga and dancehall. We love cricket and football. Champion, champion, every treaty and every yard one. Champion, champion, every VC and every Bejan. Champion, champion, every treaty and every yard one. Champion, champion, and champion. And being Kohli a champion, Dhoni a champion, Bhuvi is a champion, Sachin is a champion, Chetan is a champion, Kapil is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, India a champion, Nelson a champion, 958 cracks a champion, 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 champion. Don't everybody know say bravo a champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gayle is the champion. So that's all from my side. Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.